Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the blue screen error wmiacpi.sys. Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. So this error is typically associated with Lenovo devices. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, search for control panel, search for control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to category view, and then on the left side, select the programs button. Underneath programs and features, select uninstall a program, and then you want to locate if you have a Lenovo Vantage service in here. Lenovo Vantage or Lenovo Vantage services. There might be multiple ones. You want to select it and then select the uninstall button. And then once it's on uninstalling, restart the computer, see if that has resolved the problem. You can also open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match. You'll come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Give us a couple minutes to run. And then I don't remember pasting in the second command here, but it looks like maybe I accidentally did. But now it's running the system file checker utility scan. So just copy that second command from the description of my video, right click on the top bar, edit and paste that in, or you can just type it in like you see here. It's just SFC and then a space / scannow. Scannow is all one word. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here, and you will want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point or issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.